funny. We are having a apocalypse in my army. And Mama's army is 1, but there's going to be 10. Now count my army. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16. Mama has 20. I have 16 army plushies. And you want to see our more videos, subscribe the bell and punch the bell button. See you next time. Bye. There's our my army of plushies and the sponsor this video is Monster Legend. Monster Legend, you can get gems and stones and money, and you'll be so richer. You can actually get your free monster, and you can find the Monster Legend. Just go to the map and download it as Monster, and you know it's Monster Legends, and it's for free. You want to drink water? You want to drink water? Drink water. Drink water. They like Mama. They like my Sonic. Mama. They like my Sonic. And you have to watch our part 2 video about the army. But you're going to see. Can I take off the camera? Can I? Here's Mama's frog. Here's my plushie. And you can download our new game is for free. And that will let you see part 2 video.